Imagine a typical evening, a parent and a child, each engrossed in their own activities. The parent breaks the silence, asking about the child's day. It may seem like a mundane conversation, but it's these everyday moments that lay the foundation for a strong connection. Consider another scenario. It's a weekend morning, and the parent and child are in the kitchen making pancakes. They're laughing, making a mess, and most importantly, creating shared memories. The parent asks, "What other things do you enjoy doing that we could do together?" Shared hobbies are a fantastic way to strengthen the bond. Now picture a quiet, cozy night. The parent tucks the child into bed and asks if there's anything on their mind. The child hesitates before opening up about a problem at school. The parent listens attentively, offering reassurance and support. Open communication is invaluable in building trust and understanding. Imagine a dinner time where the parent enthusiastically congratulates the child on acing a math test. The child beams, feeling recognized and appreciated. Celebrating achievements, big or small, boosts confidence and fosters a sense of accomplishment. Visualize a sunny afternoon in the park. The parent and child are flying a kite, laughing and enjoying each other's company. The parent cherishes these moments of quality time. It's not about what they're doing, but the fact that they're doing it together. Finally, consider a difficult day when the child is visibly upset. The parent notices, offering a listening ear and emotional support. The child shares their worries and the parent reassures them, "Your feelings matter, and I'll support you no matter what." These scenarios illustrate the importance of building a strong connection with your child. It's a blend of genuine interest, shared experiences, open communication, celebrating achievements, quality time, and emotional support. By nurturing these elements, you can strengthen the bond with your child and create a foundation for a lasting relationship.